I was riding a mountain bike and I went over my handlebars and landed on my head. Was just having a lot of discomfort and stiffness in my neck, having trouble doing some of the things I wanted to do. Dr. Dave then recommended we take an x-ray, which he thoroughly explained everything and recommended CFR.
When talking about CFR adjusting, it stands for Cranial Facial Release. It's a non-invasive technique that actually uses a small balloon inserted into the nasal cavity and inflate it. It adjusts the bones in the skull. None of these bones are solid. They move in case we have trauma. When there's a misalignment in the skull, it has a different pressure on the brain. Depending where that pressure is, depicts certain symptoms. Some people may have dizziness or brain fog or headaches that they can't get rid of.
It has been several months since I finished the CFR treatment, and I feel amazing.